Fine. So the students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So homework related, very good. Ajay Kumar, very good. Then Ajay Kumar, again, you send that next homework. Very good. Ajay Kumar, very good. Keep it up. Continue the same. Very good. So let us continue the, have you done the homework, all of you? Everybody? Anybody not done the homework? Raise the hands. Not done homework. Raise, stand up, all of you. Those who has not done the homework, stand up. I will check the notes now. I will check the notes now. Done. See, everybody is not done the homework. If I check the notes, some more students can stand up also. I will check the notes in the middle of the class also. I will check. Now only you stand up. So doing homework, good or not good? See, 90% of the offline students stand up. Whoever is present, they are in the stand-up mode only. So not doing homework is a wrong or right? Wrong or right? Wrong. You have done wrong or right? So what is the punishment then? What is the punishment then? Stand up on the chair. If you stand up, some of you stand up on the chair will break. Then how can we go, ma? Sit down. Please do the homework. Please do the assignment. Please do that. So let us move to the further discussion now. Today, I will introduce operators concept. I will go for it. What is the topic name? Operators. Yesterday's notes, Sharat Chandra. Not Sheda. Not shared? Okay. So what is the topic yesterday, ma? Which topic I was explained? Input function, okay. Now itself I will share it. So I don't know how it skip off. So actually I have to share it. Now itself I will share it. Okay, so they put everything. See how online students, how sincere they are, you see. Everybody keeping their programs in the online. Directly they are uploading. Actually, offline students who are coming to the class, I felt more committed and more sincere, I felt. But when you stand up only, then only I come to know that you are not doing the homework. Please do the homework. It's my advice, ma, for all of you. Please do that. It's my sincere advice. Please, reading the data from keyboard. This is a topic which I told. Reading the data from the keyboard, I'll just upload that. And data read is the one which we have in that. In that notes is a topic name. And I will post the programs also. So all sorts of things. So coming to that, okay, this is uploaded and I'll keep it active where I can upload today's concept also. Okay, students, shall we move forward? Yeah. So like that, if I go on showing, if you practice well, you will get your subject. Otherwise, we will not get the job even also. So there is one more student. Hi sir, this is Tulasi Priya, completed Python, the previous your batch before 9 AM. Got an offer letter from Infosys. Thank you for so much for your best guidance. So because I can show this in the WhatsApp also for online students and everybody. whatever the message is, right? Like that, if I go on seeing, every day you will be getting so many number of things will be coming. So many number of things will come. So many messages will come, so many things will come, all offer letters. If I start showing first 15 minutes, only that job opportunities who got everything I will be showing. Because at the before going to end of the batch, I used to give my number where you people are sending the message to me, sir, I got an offer letter from so and so company. So for you also at the end of the sessions, I will give my number to you so that you can, yes ma'am, Pooja, I'll give my number to you. Not now, at the end of the sessions. At the end of the sessions. Okay. Now, if you start this discussion, now we'll go for it. Shall we start the discussion now? Yes. So what is the topic name? Operators in Python. So our topic name is operators in Python. This is the topic we are going to enter. Very, very, very important concept we need to understand. So what are the operators in Python? Just I want to go for it. What are the various operators in Python language? I need to go for it. So there we are understanding the index. If you start, because in every part of the topic, I used to give the index. That is our habit of talking in detail. First point is what? Purpose of operators. Purpose of what? Operators. Next, we are talking about what do you mean by expression? What do you mean by expression? Next, we are talking about types of operators. Types of operators. And next, we are talking about programming examples on every moment. Programming examples on every operator. Every operator type. Operator type. Operator type. So this is what we are going to discuss. This will be continued for 3 to 4 days. This will be continued for 3 to 4 days because that many important concepts are there. We are going to enter into the operators. So let me start entering into the operators. Don't write index. Index don't write because anyhow I will post index also in the Google Drive class. So content you just watch it. It is my advice, students, instead of writing the notes in the class, if you do this after going to home, download this and write the notes very perfectly with red ink, green ink, so many inks. Be sincere like me. If you see my 10th class, if I see my note, if you see my notes, you will not give notes back to me. You will take the notes and you will run away. But that much notes I will write. To feel jealous, like that I will write the notes. Like that you have to prepare my notes. After going to home, download this, open it, prepare the notes by yourself. That is my advice for everybody. Prepare, keep these notes by yourself like anything. And in the class, give me an opportunity to explain this 1 hour, 40 minutes minimum only my explanation. Because I added a lot of content to my curriculum. So explaining and dictating the notes, that days has gone. Go for something like modern it by yourself and we'll go for it. Okay. So carefully listen. After going to home, prepare the notes by yourself with the methodology which I said to you. Okay. So in every language, you might be learn C language. It contains some sort of operators. C++, some sort of operators. Python, some sort of operators. And Java, some more kind of operators. We are having lot of operators in our various languages. So I don't know whether you are good in that operators or not. I don't know. I can say 99% of the students, 99 is what? 100%. In 2022, I can say. 2021, I can say. 2021 and 2022, we are not good in operators. At least it is a golden opportunity to explain the operators in Python very in detail, very much perfectly I will explain. So what is the purpose of operators? So the purpose of operators, I'm going to write the first sentence because every topic when you start learning, learn its real-time purpose. The purpose of operators, the purpose of operators is that to perform certain operation on the given data. certain operation on given data, on the given data or on available data, on given data, right? What is the operator? First of all, I just want to give you this. An operator is a symbol. An operator is a symbol. An operator is first of all a symbol. Plus is called what? Actually is a symbol. What is the purpose of it? Adds two numbers. Star is an operator, is a symbol which is used to multiply two things. Like that we are having lot of symbols are there. Greater than symbol is there, less than symbol is there. We are having lot of symbols are there. What is an operator? Symbol. Why do you use it? To perform certain type of operations. See, my dear students, of course, you feel that you know operators, but when you come to programming, we will be zero and you don't feel it. Even if you feel also, nothing will happen it. And you take it as everything sportive. Okay. So when I say A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to what? A plus B, for example. That is already we are using from our childhood days onwards. What is the symbol plasma? Operator. Connected with the two variables or not? It is called expression, we can call. What is it? Expression. What is an expression? An expression is a collection of variables connected with a operator. Is called what? Expression. Which operator it is? Arithmetic operator. So I will call it as what? Arithmetic expression we can call. Arithmetic expressions, relational expressions, logical expressions, bitwise expressions, lot of expressions are there. So depends on the operator when I am using. If that operator is connected with two or more variables, is called what? Expression. Come on, my dear students. I would like to mention here. Come on to the point. Come on. If two or more variables in the Python, all variables are called what? Or if two or more variables connected with an operator, or then it is called what? Expression. The expressions are of many types. If the expression is going to be greater than or less than, it is called relational expression. Logical expression, bitwise expression, like that there are so many number of things are there. So what is an expression? Don't feel that something difficult. Try to understand quickly. If two or more variables or objects connected with an operator, then it is called. Very good. Coming to that, what is an operator? An operator is a symbol which is used to perform certain type of operations on the given data. In Python programming, see my dear students, in Python programming, we have certain number of operators are there. 7 types of operators. 7 types of operators. They are one by one. I will write, my dear students, just to watch it. Number 1, arithmetic operators. My intention is not to tell about plus, minus, star. That is in your childhood days only you are available. But there are some other operators are available. Arithmetic operators. Second one is called what? Assignment operator. Very, very important. We are going to talk about. My intention is to talk about assignment operator. You already know from childhood days onwards. But my intention is to tell something new. Every topic, some expertism I will provide. That is what you expect from me. Next is called what? Relational operators. Right? Next, I'm going to enter into the logical operators. All these things I will explain in detail. Logical operators. In that I will explain short circuit evaluation. Will explain. Next, fifth one is called most important. Nobody knows properly, including you also. Bitwise operators, how much important in real time, you cannot imagine. You already learned C language bitwise operators, you know. I will just write the names. Double greater than, double less than, next is called this or, and next is called bitwise and, next is called bitwise XOR, bitwise complement, bitwise complement. So this, I can't imagine how much important the bitwise operators are. So in most of the written test, this bitwise operators are going to be most useful. That's why I'm writing most important. And after listening our class, people should not say that you don't know bitwise operators. Okay, na? I will give you most perfectly for you. And the sixth one is called what you know, membership operators. Membership operators. What are the membership operators? A special operators in Python. A. What is that first one? In. Spell out. All of you. In. All the online students need to. B is called what? Opposite. What is that? Not in. Say. What are the membership operators? How many membership operators? One is next. Are you in? Are you in? Yes. Are you out? No. In will decide whether you are a member of the class or not. Okay. We will explain that. In detail, I will explain when to use and how to use it. Next is called what you know? Identity operators. Identity operators. There I am having A. E is called what? Is. Come on, say, what is that operator name? Is. Come on, next. Come on. Not is. Not is not. Is not. When you say not is, not only you, all your friends, previous students and all those things, they will apply their intelligence here. So, is not a, not is a, is not. That's why if you speak now, I will find out the problems in your communication. So if I highlight your wrong ones, you will be careful. Okay, sorry, will highlight my wrong. I need to speak only facts. Vijay, you are laughing. Okay, come to offline once. Right. Come to the point of it. How many operators? How many operators totally? 7. Can you spell out all of them? Arithmetic operators, assignment operator, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators. How many membership operators are there? Number 1, in, not in. Identity operators. Yes, very good. So anywhere else, if you say is not, they will ask who is your faculty. Don't tell my name. Right. So that's why you speak. The most important thing is bitwise operators. Okay. Now, one note point I will give my dear students. Immediately we'll get it. Unary increment operators are there. Unary increment operators in C language, right or not? In C programming, in C++ programming, in Java programming, in .NET programming, you have what? Plus operator is there, minus operator is there. That are not there in Python. Not there in Python. Not there in Python. There is no meaning of it. There is no use of it. There is no use of it. Are you good in that? Are you good in that area? So somebody will say, here A is equal to 0, plus A. What is an answer? Plus A. What is an answer, ma? It is going to be what? 1. 1. A plus is what? Also 1. Also 1. If you want, I will show you more practically, because some of them will think that it is 0. Some of them will think that it is 0, right? But it is going to be what? 1 only. If you want me to show, I will show it in Java, because some of the people will have the wrong impression about that. So why to have that? So I'll go to some small Java part of it. I'll just want to show you that, because in the Java training programs, I used to talk about, especially in the class, for 45 minutes about that. 45 minutes about the plus and this one. Java, I will take it. So KVR, I will take it. Int A is equal to 0. And I say I say plus plus A, I'll say print value of A. Java code I am showing. Don't feel that in Python Java code. Yeah, sometimes you try to enjoy. So plus A. Now see this. My file name is nothing but a caveat I will give. Let us go to your execution environment. 9 a.m. Go to folder separately. Operators. So caveat.java. Say save. Coming to the command prompt, say caveat. Python is 9 a.m. Operators here. C students. Py Java C for A. Java C caveat.java. It's a compilation first. Yes, a semicolon is required. Compulsory semicolon in Java. Execute it. Execute the Java program. Compilation is over. Execute the Java program. I got the value called what? 1. Now go to that. I will write A++. Lot of people are under the impression that it is a 0. I saved it, my dear students. Save. And then recompile your program once and answer is also called a 1. Okay. Then most of the people will ask, sir, what is the difference? And you say plus you used after that, it is a post increment. Plus you used before that, that is called a pre-increment. Your sir also will tell like that. And sir like me will squeeze you like anything. Int x is equal to A plus A minus A minus plus A plus minus A plus A minus plus minus A plus A minus. What is an answer? Mind will black. Some cinema dialogue is there, na? So that will block. Because nobody will ask plus A plus what is an answer, they won't ask. They will ask this type of questions. That's why quality of training is always important. Don't learn subject, be an expert in subject. Right or not? Am I correct? This type of things you need to learn it. Unfortunately, it's not a Java training, C++ training or C training or .NET training. Otherwise, I would have been explaining that thing for 45 minutes. Only 3 rules I will tell you. Just by looking at it, I just with left hand, left finger, I can tell. Let it be 100 kilometers of plus, minus, etc. Just a fraction of seconds, you can give the output. But unfortunately, it is not Java. It is a Python. So fortunately, Python does not contain what? Plus, minus is not there. Plus, minus, unary increment, unary decrement and unary increment operators are not there. Unary increment and unary decrement operators are not there in Python. You see, are not there in Python. Are you getting? There is one more operator also I want to give you, because you will ask in the middle of the sessions. See that, students, this is the one more operator. What is this operator? Ternary operator. Ternary operator we can call. Ternary means what? 3. In C language you might be using some RES result is equal to A greater than B question mark A colon B. Like this you will use it. In general, you will write EXPR1, EXPR2 and colon EXPR3. How many are connected? Question mark and then colon. Connected with the three variables or not? That's why it is known as what? A ternary. 3. That's why they named as a ternary operator. And this ternary operator also not there in Python. But what is there for ternary, sir? We have a beautiful concept is there for ternary. Really, Python is so extraordinary compared to that old traditional meaning of these operators. I will explain in the session in place of ternary what is available, how easily we can remember it. Okay, shall we go for it? Python does not contain unary operators. Unary means 1. Plus plus A, only one operator, one variable. So that is plus plus is not there, minus minus is not there, plus plus is not there, and unary increment, unary decrement operators are not there in this thing, not there in Python, but they are there in where? C++ and these places. This also not there in where? Python. So Python contains the operators which I said here, these operators. Shall I go to this one? And the students in online, are you comfortable? That's why we like Python very much, sir. Okay. Ankit, you like Python very much. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So let us go to the, because it is not there, don't like Python. Because it is not there, don't like Python. Python will provide a lot of meaning, very deep meaning in an easy way it will be provided. That is going to be the most importance of the Python nowadays. So coming to the point of it, first one I will go for what? Arithmetic operators I am going to discuss. So let us start arithmetic operators in the subject. Arithmetic operators we are going to enter. So let us start with arithmetic operators now. So what do you do with arithmetic operators? You know, I need not to tell you especially plus, minus, star, that are called basic arithmetic operators or not? What they are doing? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, that is small childhood days we can do. I will write it. The purpose of, since I have write every line in our class, purpose, the purpose of arithmetic operators, the purpose of arithmetic operators is that to perform what operations? Arithmetic operations. And don't think that Sari is writing on the basis of the words such as what is it? Addition. Next is what? Subtraction, comma what? Multiplication, etc. etc. That I will take care of it in the class. To perform various types of operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Right? If two or more variables are what? Objects connected with what? Connected with which operators? Arithmetic operators. Then it is called what? Arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression. Beautiful. Sir, the following table gives, I'm writing, the following table gives list of what operators? Arithmetic operators. Now I want to write a big table. In every moment of it, you will get a table, because I will give always a table of operators. I will explain the table of operators with the functionality. Let us understand more perfectly in the class. Okay, students, serial number. Okay, next is called a symbol. I am taking. Next I am taking meaning. Next I am taking example. So on the spot, I will give some example. So let us consider the serial number here. Example is A is 10, B is 3, and like that I will take it. First symbol is called what? Plus. Nothing is there to discuss from my side. It is called what? Addition. Example please. Print of what? A plus B. Answer is called what? 13. That is nothing special in my class. Second operator I will go for it. That is called what? Minus. This is the first operator. That is the first operator. I will go for this. What is the operator now? Minus. Come on, students. Subtraction I will take it. This I will take it as print of what? A minus B. It is going to be given as what? 7. Yes, that is already you are aware of it. Nothing is special in my class. Star operator. What is this? Multiplication. Come on, students. Print of A star B. Come on, ma. So it is called 30. This is already we are familiar with. Every student should interact with me, ma. Please get the subject. And it is a very good time for you to become a Pythonist and to become a data analyst. Try to get it. and don't sit quiet and calm in the class. Fourth, fifth, and then sixth are very, very important that you try to understand. What is that is, I will write the operator name. I'll write the operator name slash. I will explain. Look at. I'm having two slashes. This is one slash. Two slashes are there. It's a regularly asking question. What is the difference between single slash and double slash? You take any student who is somewhere else. Majority of the students are there in our Python class only. If anybody was missing, you ask this question. What is the difference between single slash and double slash? Simply out of order. In MCQs, this question will come. In MCQs, these questions will come very regularly. And how we can answer it, I will explain. Next one is going to be, sixth one is going to be available. Percent operator, that is remainder to find, we will use it. Remainder to find, we will use it. Next, the most important special operator in Python is double star operator. Double star operator for exponentiation. I want to calculate a to the power of m. A to the power of m. How do you calculate? A into star star, what you will write? M. A into m is different. It is a multiplication. It is called what? Exponentiation. And a lot of statistical operations are doing very easily by what? Star star operator. I will give you a lot of content on that. Okay. Now slash operator, it is called which operation, my dear students? Division operation. I say here, let it maintain some space, ma. Yeah. So I will go for giving that. So see students, I say here, print of, come on, do your students, A slash B. Always I am giving, don't get confused. It gives the result in the form of float coefficient form. Always gives the result in the form of float coefficient. How it is, sir? Now, whenever I apply, my value is called 10 slash 3, single slash if we write it, it is going to be like this. 3, like a childhood days we used to write it. I will explain like my childhood days. You are my playgroup student, like that I will explain. What is this? 3 3 9. So what is the result? 1. Again, dot 0. 3 3 again what? 9. Again it is going to be 1. Again 0. Continuously 3 3s 3 3 3 3 3 3 like that going on writing. 3.33333 going on writing. Last 5 you will get it. And after so many 3s, last will get what? 5. And we cannot write mathematically 3.33 like this. It is a mathematics recurring symbol. That recurring symbol is not there on the keyboard. Because some of the students will ask me in the online, sir, I will write 3.33 on the top of it. Mathematically we will write it. But we cannot use it in the computer science. That symbol is not there here. Okay, students, what is the answer, please? 3.333333333. I will take it as last 5. You will get a doubt first of all. How 5 will come, sir? That is the open secret. IEEE 754 base paper calculation, it is an open secret. Because you will really wonder, because I speak about only the practical knowledge here. Let us go to that. You execute in C programming, you will get this part. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. Say that print of what? A by B, you see that what is coming. You cannot believe also. Everybody will think that 3.33333 like that. A person like me asking the question 3.33333, if I say 3.3335, you feel that sir don't know that. Actually, student don't know that. And a lot of people don't know that. But actual answer is this one. Are you understanding? The beauty behind, in Java also same, in C also same, C++ also same, but people are not aware of it. That practical knowledge should be so extraordinary. When you go for MCQs, they will ask you this question. Answer is what? Answer A 3.33. B answer is 3.3333 some 6. A.3333 something. A.3.3 are recurring. Last is this one. Nobody will select this answer. Everybody will select first, second, third, and some more intelligent students will select 3.33 high recurring they will take. Intelligent students means in reverse I am talking about. Answer is this one. That's why you BA programmatic student. Understanding? Very shortly in further sessions, how this 5 is coming, because I have to explain you first what IEEE 754 base paper calculation I have to explain. Then only you can understand the meaning of that. Then only you can understand the meaning of it. At present, we are not going to redesign the IEEE background. We are going to programmer. After getting some programming, I will provide the expertism on that area. Okay, na? Right. Okay. Coming to the division it is called. Next, coming to the slash, my dear students. When you come to the slash, it always gives, my dear student, floor division, ma. It is called as what? Floor division. Always call it as what? Floor division. Floor division. Yeah. Always call the double slash as what? Floor division. They will ask a direct question. What is the difference between division and floor division? Division always gives the float coefficient. Float result as a quotient. Now you come to this point. When you come to this here, print of A double slash B, when you go for it, it is going to be called as what? 3 only will come. That means this will be truncated. This is called giving you what? Integer coefficient will come. Floor division means what? This will be truncated. That will be truncated. See that? Apply programmatically. Don't learn anything newly. You learn everything most programmatically. Did you understand, students? Yeah. I will ask you one more question. Don't sleep. Remove the cap. Comfortable? You also? Let the Python to enter into the brain. Come on to the point next. Come on to the point next. Print or directly I will write it. Print. Now answer my question. It was recently asked questions. 10.0 by 3.0. Answer please. What is 10.0 first of all? What is 10.0? Float now? Float. Float by what? Float. Earlier it is called what? Int by int. What is this data? Int by int. Now it is called what? Float by float. Here no problem. No problem. Same answer. Same answer. Okay. Now C slash I am writing. Double slash I am writing. What is the answer will come? 3. That is called wrong answer. 3.0 will come. 3.0 will come. Why? Because you have applied what? Float. Actually 3 only. You may ask a question. 3.0 and 3. What is the difference, sir? You can say as a programmer, I can say 3 is called int type. 3.0 is what type? Float type. So press enter key. 3.0 will come. That means this data is not coming. That is 3 only. This data is not coming. Double slash will give you what? Integer coefficient only. Even you can ask me, sir, after the dot something is coming. That is negligible now. Am I correct? Come on, next time asking. 10 by 3.0. What is an answer? Int by int is int ma. Float by float is float. Float by int also float. Int by float also float. What is an answer now? 3.0. Next I am giving, why I am giving this type of answers again and again? Because when it is coming in interview point of view, don't get confused. When this question is asking in interview point of view, they are giving option is called 3. They are giving option as 3.0. They are giving the answer is called what you know. C is called 3.3333333 like this. And option D, they are giving both A, B. Both A and B. What is your answer? B is an answer. It's a question. So that's why, how can you know this? When you work on the practicals, then only you will come to know. Without working on the practicals, with your mathematics knowledge, if you answer, you will be out of order. This is my advice. Try to practice it. I hope you are understanding about this double slash and single slash. Single slash will give you what? Normal division, what you learn. Double slash will give you, always gives you what coefficient? Integer coefficient. Come on to the this one. It is called a modulo division. Spell out, man. Modulo division. It will give you print of A percentage B. It is going to give you A percentage B. It is going to give you 10 percentage 3. Wait, students. 10 percentage operator we are applying. Modulo division operator it is 3. 3 3s are, it is called 9. It is stopping. This is obtained by what? This is obtained by what? Modulo division. Modulo division is nothing but a modulus. Is nothing but remainder will come. Are you getting my point? Yes. Last and final I am asking my dear students. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7 percent of 10. What is an answer? Okay. I think it's a big question. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3% of 10. What is an answer? 3 is an answer. 123 of what? 10. 10 12s. 120. What is the remainder? 3. This because I am using what operator? Percentage. Now I am using simple. Now I will use that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% 10. What is the answer? 8 will come. 8 will come. So if you want to get the remainder of anything, we will use like that. So I will use what is the remainder now? 1 will come. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to explain. Is it okay, students? Yeah. Now coming to the point of it, double star is a special operator. Exponentiation. Exponentiation. What is an exponentiation, my dear students? Print of A star star B. What is an answer here? 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3. You know 10 to the power of 3. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10. You know this? It is called what, ma? 1000. Not 10 into 3, ma. Not 10 into 3. 10 into 3 is called only what? 10 to the power of 3, this is called 10 cube. Nothing but what? 1000. Clear? How many arithmetic operators are there? 7. Students in the online, are you comfortable, students? Right? So somebody is asking tomorrow, 5 to the power of 6. How do you write it? 5 to the power of 6. 5 star star 6. Understand? 10 to the power of minus 2. How do you write it? 10 star star minus 2. That is 1 by 10 square. That is equal to 1 by 100. That is equal to 0.01. Understand? Right. Look at that, my dear students here. Coming to the point of it. A, of course, A value is there. A value 10. Yes, A value 10, B value this one. A to the A star star B. See the answer, ma? Print off directly A or something like 10 star star minus 2. What is an answer? Yeah, something like I can say here anything 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4. 5 4 ja, it is 20. 5 4 ja 20. Multiplication operator. 5 star star I am writing. 5 to the power of 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 25. 25 into 25 625. 625 is an answer. Understand? Yeah. Let us go to the most important thing now. So this is comes under what operators? Right. Especially I am requesting you, please remember this. Compulsory. How do you get the remainder? Percentage operator. How do you get the integer coefficient? Double slash. How do you get the float coefficient? Slash. How do you get the exponentiation? Double star. Rest plus minus already this thing is called what? Your left hand left finger. This is already you are from the childhood days onwards. This is the done. Shall we read the program now? Open the notes. You bring your notebook for writing all my questions in the class. Some of them are classwork programs. One more is homework related kind of things. You need to maintain 2 notes. One is for assignment notes. There is a questions notes. One more is called fair notes. If you want to write like that, you must be a so sincere student. Having any extracurricular activities, you cannot maintain the notes. Try to be sincere in the class. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which demonstrates the functionality of arithmetic operators. which demonstrates the functionality of arithmetic operators. Why you are not writing, ma? Ma? Notes is not there. Notes is not there. You did not bring notes. Pen or notes? Pen is there? Notes is not there. Pen is not. Mobile is there? Mobile is also not there. Really? Really? Mobile? You kept in bag. That's what. Bag is there with you? Bag, where is bag? You have mobile now? No. Where you kept your mobile? Bag. Bag is there now? Bike. So if somebody takes your bike means problem, na? Okay. You forget the mobile or you daily you kept in your bike only? Daily kept in your bag. So actually you are a very good student. These all bring the mobiles to the class. You are only a good student. Even I am also not good student because I will bring my mobile daily to the class. Okay. Ankit will give like that because he is one of my naughty student in the class. So Ankit will say like that only. Okay. So he did not bring it, sir. Okay. Ankit is saying what? You said no need of notes in class. So I think he did not bring it, sir. Okay. So I will comment in the middle of it for this for relaxation. If you, Ankit is my favorite student actually. He will be there with me. Okay. Right. So 2 Ankits are there in my classes. So I don't know which Ankit. Okay, leave it. So only for 1 minute that is. Shall we move forward? So tomorrow notes, please bring ma. Mobile you bring, plus notes also bring. I can give notebook, but I can give notebook and pen now. So tomorrow you bring your own. Okay, right. So shall we go to the program now? Let us look at that. So I can do the program in many of the ways. I will prefer to go for what? I'll prefer to go for what today? I'll go to the Edit Plus, or I can go to Jupyter Notebook. I will take it. Jupyter Notebook I can take it. I can take PyCharm also. I can take Spider also. Daily one kind of IDs you can take it. Okay. So wherever you like it, you can go for dealing with this. So to deal with this Jupyter Notebook, you need to have some little internet connection is required. You need to take care of it. So how to save it in this place and all those things I will explain right now. Don't worry. There is a file option is there. There is an option called what? Save as. You can happily save it. Okay. Right. Start, my dear students. What is that now? Get the values or not? Get a value or not? Yes. Look at, don't write it. Float, I will take it. Float 2 programs I will show you. Int of, look at my dear students. Enter value of A. Enter value of A. Enter value of A. So I'm taking directly, converted into that. B is equal to input of, I must say input of. Next I will say int of, input of, I say here, what is that? Enter value of what? B. Enter value of B. Yes, I got 2 things. Amma? Yeah. Okay. Don't worry. I'll just go on doing it. Later we'll continue that. Yeah. Next I will take it. See, mom. I just write like this. Star what? 50. Star 50. This is the purpose of what? Just for showing my program in a clear-cut, good presentation format. That symbol called hyphen repeated how many times? 50 times. So say that now I am writing print. What is my operations here? Arithmetic operations results. Arithmetic operations results. Arithmetic operations results. Okay. Now I am saying under that one line I want, that is called something like what, 50. Now I will write that code. Again I am writing like this. Now I will start. Come on, my dear students. What is this now? Come on, say sum of, I say, comma, is equal to, I say, double quote started, is equal to, I say like this, dot format of, come on students, help me, a comma b comma a plus b, a plus b. Understand what is the symbol here? What is the symbol here? Plus. Plus I am using it. If you are most interested, if you are very much interested, still you want to be interested, you can write plus in middle of it, no problem. No problem like that. You try to execute once more, say run, okay, this bracket, nothing will happen because it is there in the inside the double quotes. Okay, now you see run this code ma, enter the value of a 10 and 3, answer is coming 10 plus 3 is equal to what? 13. I can print my output in colorful also. Recently to the Python, one module is added, Colorama, COLORAMA. Colorama. We can install that with the pip tool and we can use whatever color I want. I can display my output of the color. I want this in red in color, I want blue in color, green in color, whatever the color you want, I can display my output. Colorama, one type of rainbow kind of colors are added. I can mix them, I can display whatever I like it. I will also tell in the class. Okay, students, let me continue, my dear students. I will copy my statement and I will write it here. I'll copy my statement and I will write it here. Print of what I will write it? Minus. Minus I will write it. A minus B I wrote it. You just try to run it once again. Enter the value 10 and 3. I got the result as what? 10 plus 3 and 10 minus 3. Next I will write it. Next I am writing here. What is this next, please? Come on guys. Star. I say here star operator. Star operator. I can write it now. I will write it single slash, and next is single slash. I will write it. Next I will write what, ma? Double slash. I will write it. Double slash. I will write it. Here I will write a double slash. Double slash. Here I will write it. What is this now? Percent operator. I am writing here percent operator. Next I will write here star star operator. I will write it. Star star. I will write it. Here I will write star star. Star star. Okay. Run this. Enter the value 10 and 3. I will write it. See the output of this now. Below this output you see. Are you getting my point? Yes. The same kind of output, the same kind of program, I can do it happily. I can do it happily anywhere else. Anywhere else. And edit plus and say new. And I go for others and say Python and I will just paste it. For better visibility to my students to see across the online and offline, I'll go for this. So what I will do there, I say there, this program demonstrates what? Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. I'll give my file name as what you know, aop.py. Just to save it, ma. aop.py. I'll go to my place of e colon, say 9am operators here, and then save this code as aop.py. There is no direct symbol like a run symbol there. We have to run especially by using the tools. Which tool? Python or py. Go to the command prompt. Where is my program is available? E colon. And you don't get confused because I am showing in different environments. Go to the command prompt, e colon, KVR, Python, say 9am. Under that, where I am saving it, operators symbol, operators place, I just saved it. Please execute py aop dot. Enter the value 100, enter the value something like 3. I got it. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. 10 by 3, 33.3333 slash 3, only 33 is coming. Percentage remainder is 1 and 10 to the power of 3 is nothing but like this. Are you okay, students? Yeah. Like this, you people can enter into that. Suppose if you want to do it in PyCharm or Visual Studio, VS Code, there are a lot of IDs are there. So for launching this ID, it will take some time. For launching this will take some time. I just clicked on it. So this will be launching. You can also set the theme, like yesterday I was setting UI theme, solarized light color or something like that. You can set it. You can set it. This is a PyCharm IDE. PyCharm IDE this is. It is showing something like this. So it has some sort of file like this. It has some sort of file like this. This is my existing program which I shown to my previous students. Okay. So let it be close it. Let it be close it and take some small project. As we have seen yesterday, some project. You take that and say what? New. In that say new file. In that say new file. Which file you want? Python file. I will take it. AOP1.py. AOP1.py, and I can take this and I can take that statement. Which statement I can take it, my dear students? Go to this program. I can just say this line. I can just say this line and I pasted it. What is same? Code is same. What is different? Just my execution environments are different. Let us save it and say what? Right click. Say what? Run. There earlier we went for what? Run. Their packages, script, etc. in this place. And if we say run and go to where? Running this. You can go for it. Now there is one more thing called what? Say this and run AOP1. Wherever your program is there you say right click and say what? Run AOP. And see that it is asking. It is a cursor is there for you. Enter the value of A. I'll say 1000. I'll say 300, I will say 300, you will get the answer. 100 to the power of 3, you see how much big lines are coming. If it is the other programming language, it will say can't store. Python can store any amount of big data because everything is called what? Objects. Are you getting my point? So this is the one I set. This is a one way of, this is called output is minimized. One way is to run what? Right click and then say run. And one more way is to run there and then say what? Run. I can say run. AOP, it is asking which one you want to run. This one you run. Say asking 10 and then say something like 2. I got 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 1000. Output I got it or not? Okay, this is second way. There is another way is also there. You see there is a symbol. Come on. There is a symbol here. This is a symbol. What is this? Green symbol is there. Click on that. Ensure that you need to have the program there. Execute it. It is asking the number called what? 3. And 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 is called what? 27. And the result corresponding to that also came. Easy or difficult? Huh? Finally, what? Spider also I can show you. Sublime text also I can show you. VS Code also I can show you. Wherever you want, I can show you. In all the cases, what is same? Coding is same. And this is something like any car driving is same. Like that, you must ensure it. So what I'm personally saying is, if you understand me, I'll keep for better visibility to the students. I will use this. You sit on your machine, you take PyCharm, you take Jupyter Notebook, you take anything and you execute it. It's my advice to you. Shall I move forward? Yes, is this code is understandable? Yes, students in the online, are you comfortable? Atom ID also. Who is this? Amit Patak. So, sir, I am not understanding print of this. That's what I am saying it. If anybody was not attending the class properly, we cannot understand. So this I was already explained so many times. This symbol slash, this symbol hyphen repeated 50 times. I told so many times even in today's class also. So this is very easy. And once you miss one day, if anything is covered, that part, if you get it into the programming, definitely you cannot understand. And that I cannot repeat once again in the class. Because for one student, if I repeat, so many students are waiting. So many students are in the online, 274 students are there. I cannot make those students to wait. Are you getting me? So let us move to the further. Be punctual to the classes and understand everything. One more program. Write a Python program. Next, write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate a to the power of m. ఇలా రాసుకోవాలి. a to the power of m అంటే don't write in English. a to the power of m. a to the power of m. What is a? Look at all of you. What is a? Base. Base na? What is m? Power. Power it is called. Immediately when you give this task in your Python, how do you write it? One thing must get it into your mind. So my sir said subject double star and my requirement is this one. So every time requirement must be solved with your subject. Poor subject requirements you cannot fulfill. Am I correct? A famous doctor, more medicines, any problem, just to shoot it. Software engineer, more libraries, more subject knowledge, requirement just vanished, troubleshooted like anything. Troubleshooted. Troubles means requirements, problems. When they are coming, you will shoot because of your good subject. Okay, students, shall we start this? Right. So coming to the point of it, next program I want to do it. Next program I want to do it. How I will do it? Say new and then say others and then say Python. So this program, see my dear students, program calculate a to the power of, I don't have the symbol here, a to the power of, I am writing there, a to the power of what? M. A to the power of m. Actually I would write a to the power of m like mathematics. Come on students, I say, what is that? Power example 1 dot py. Power example 1 dot py. Come on, what is your input please? Come on ma, float input of enter base. M is equal to float of input of enter power. Okay, take care about the brackets mismatching. Okay students, res is equal to a star m. A star m, a star m. No problem. M. A star m, because that operator. Okay, print students. How do you print it? Power of, okay, comma is equal to dot format of, come on students, a comma m comma res. Understand? As this format function supplies the value of a to this first curly empty curly brace, m to the second one, res to the third one. So happily it is giving the result. Let us see the students. Let us save this code. Let us go to your place of it. Say that 9 AM operators there. I will just go for it. Yes, I will go for running this code ma. I'll go for this running this code. Py, I say enter the base something like 3, enter the this thing 4 to 3 to the power of 4. Enter the power called 100, enter that power is called -3. So 1 by 10 cube, 1 by 10 cube, 1e06. Did you understand 1e06? What is that 1e06? 1 into 10 to the power of -6. So you'll get that scientific notation it is called. We understand. So enter that 10 and then -2, you are getting 0.01. Understand? So like that, anything to be to the power of anything, we can write it. So say something like this 1000 and say something like 200, you will be getting. So overflow error it is coming. Even you see a bigger data is entered, even the main memory stack is becoming full. Stack memory, Python is having the capability to display any longer data, but your system requirements also must be satisfied or not. Low memory of stack memory will give you definitely restriction on it, but language restriction, no. Right. So try to enter 23 and then 4. 23 to the power of 4 also will be going to give you. Understand students? Right. Now, shall we go for one assignment now? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate, very, very important this is, which will calculate square, look at square root of n, square root of n, square root of n, square root of n. In the beginning days, whether you remembered or not, look at ma. When you came for my demo classes beginning, I was introduced one module called math. Did you remember? Import what? Math. Import math. Later I was used in your place math dot what? SQRT. Did you remember that? Math dot SQRT of you are passing n, right or not? Today I am not using this math module. I want to use my own logic here. Understand? Continue. Without using, continue. Write a Python program which will calculate square root of n without using predefined function SQRT. 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 Yes. Look at my dear students. Ankit, follow my class, ma. Follow the class. Because you have to learn subject also, na? Ankit, try to understand me. Try to follow. Okay? Ankit, you are very good boy, na? Follow me. How, sir, means I am going to show you that. I am going to show you. Okay? Right. So coming to the point of it, go to this Python command prompt. Python command prompt. Look at all of you. As I told you already, import, what I said, math dot, what is this function? SQRT of what? 25. What is the answer? 5.0. Today I don't want to use it. I want to go for. Let us take square root of what? N. Square root of n. Square root of n. Look at once again. Square root of n is equal to, how easily we are going to write it? Square means what is there here? 2, na? Mathematically it is called 2. On the top of n, what is there? N means n to the power of 1. How do you write it mathematically, ma? N to the power of 1 by 2. Am I correct? N to the power of 1 by 2 means what it is? 0.5. 0. How you can write it in our Python? So simple, sir. N star star. N star star. What is this? 0.5. So that I will get the answer. When you come to this place, na, you be careful, my dear student. You have to write N star star 1 by 2. Don't write like this. Why? Because you have a slash operator, you have a double slash operator. Double slash operator will be given first preference. Double slash operator will be given first preference. It will calculate n to the power of 1 by 2 will be taken later. Budmoss rule. Budmoss rule contains only brackets, division, normal multiplication. Exponentiation was not there. Here you have to write n star star, you have to say 1 by 2, you do it. First to do 1 by 2, later you do the exponentiation. Understand? Come on. What is my n is equal to? 25. Come on. Direct to say n star star what? 0.5. What is an answer? What is an answer? Yes. N is equal to what again? 25. N star star 1 by 2 you say. What is the answer is coming? Why it is n star star 1. That is a 25 to the power of 1 is 25. 25 by 2 is called what? 25 by 12.5. That's why be careful, my dear students. Be careful. See the answer now like that. When you are in the programming, you should not be a normal. You should be a more extraordinary student. If such things are coming, definitely student will go wrong direction as 0.5. That is wrong. So you need to apply everything. Double star is having more priority than slash. Star and slash is there. Slash will have more priority. Did you get my point? So sleeping for every 10 minutes or 15 minutes. 3 times I pinpointed you. Next time You will sit here. Don't sleep, ma. Come on. So coming to the point of it, can you write that code? Can you write that code? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. See that. Later I will give you 1 or 2 assignments for you. Look at, I'm going to say program calculates what? Square root of, what is it? Square root of a given number. Square root of a given number. Given number. Okay. So I will take it as what? Square root example. SQRT example 1 dot. Okay. I will take it. I will take it. Okay. N is equal to int of or float of, whatever you like it. Input of, come on student. Enter a number. Enter a number. Okay. So I will write it directly. Come on, RES is equal to N star star 0.5. Did you understand that 0.5 concept? Yes. Or I can write it, students, for your clarity purpose. RES is equal to N star star what? Come on, ma. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Let us go for RES. I say here SQRT of this number is equal to, what is this now? N comma, what is this? That's it. That's it. Save this code. Go to this line. There is operators. So here I am having, save it. Execute this code, ma. Go to the command prompt, please. Py SQRT example 1, some 25, something like 3, 1.732, etc. You say something like 2, such a bigger number is coming. If you want, you can go for what? See, my dear student, I say here for your better understanding, I am giving one small point, same output. I want to give you in something different way. What I am going to give you, I say here, see, my dear student, same thing, I say one small function, I want to use it. See, my dear student, to get more clarity on my subject area, I will go to my Python environment. Python environment. See, my dear student, 22 by 3, 22 by R, I will say 3.45C45 like that. It is the data. Okay, sorry. A is equal to. Now I am going to say round function is there. There is a function called what, ma? Round. A comma 2. A comma 2. A is the number. Round to what? 2 decimals. Consider 2 decimals. Print of A. 4, 5 na? 5 more than 5. It will be considered as 6. Not getting. 4, 5. 5 means what? 5 next number. Next, something like it is called like this. 4, 2, 4, 4 like this you say. Round off this A. What is this? 4, 2 only. Why? Because it 2 is not more than what? Yeah. Now you take. This is called what, you know? 45, 5, 5, 5, 5 like this. Now you will say round off A2. What is considered? 2 decimals you said after that. 4, 5. 5 is last you take it. 5 less than 5. Next number you round it. What is the next number? Right. See that now? Understand? Understand? Now next go for what? 3. What is the answer now? 5 digits. 5. 4, 1, 2, 3. This one. You take it as what? Like that. Go to that program now. Go to this program now. I say what? Round off RES comma. What I will consider? 2. And after the decimal, 2 decimals. Last decimal, 5 more than 5. It will be next number. It is not a subject of today's class. It is a general knowledge on your exercise. So say 2. What is the answer? 2.141. 1 is the last 2 decimals. 1 is not 5 na. So it is going to be 1.1441 only. Next you say 3. Next you say 3. 1.73. 1.73 only will come. Are you okay, students? Right. So take care about that. If you want a bigger number to display like that, if you want to round it, you can go for like that. Okay, now students, let's go to this. This is called what? Square root of a given number. Okay, now? Fine. If you want to go for this same thing for another way of like this, SQRT, if you want to go for it to display in another format, you can take like this. What is it? I can take it. What is this number? Percentage F. Percentage F. Here also I can take it as what? Percentage F. 0.2 or 3 you can take it. You can say here, tell me, percent of n comma what? Yeah. So go to the place of it. Go to the place of it. Say, yes, see here. I will get it. Some 3 you enter. You are getting the result like this. And all the things, every day I will use it in my class. Once we don't read yesterday and if we come to the class, you cannot understand. Everyday concept I will carry in every day so that you must be on time to the subject. One more. This is 2 things I said. I did. You do by yourself one more thing. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate. Look at on the board. Which will calculate. Look at on the board, ma. What is this symbol, ma? What is this symbol called? Cube root of. Because in data science, statistical calculations will come. Statistical calculations will come. Like this, I will get it nth root of, like this it will come. Sometimes you will come across this one. You will come across like this. I is equal to 1 to n, x to the power of n will come. Because by keeping lot of forecasting knowledge in the brain, I want to cover my programming. This is called what? Summation. Sigma is nothing but what? Summation. Sometimes you will come across this one. What is the symbol called, ma? I is equal to 1 to n. What is that? X to the power of n. That is called a product. So we have seen it in our statistical operations, probabilities kind of places. So to do this kind of thing, nothing is required here. X star n. What is that n? N can be 1, 2, 3, 4. I will use for loop and I will do it. Just left hand, left finger in our Python language. You do it in Java, minimum it will take 1 hour for you. Minimum it will take. And you cannot do also. Because we don't have the double star operator there. Double star operator code you need to write it. Writing the code by yourself, a complex code is definitely complex. Understand? So our intention is to deal with the data science statistical operation. Like that, I want to train you. So write down, calculate cube root of n, comma. See, m square root of n. See on the board, mth root of n. It is very easy for you. How do you do it, ma? Hint I am giving. How do you do it? N double star bracket open 1/3 you will write it. Bracket open compulsory, optional? Compulsory. How do you do this, ma? Please. Double star of what? 1/. That's it. Bracket is compulsory or optional? Compulsory. I hope you understand this point, right, ma? Right. That you try to do it as a homework. Because already I did this type of thing, na? I said this. So that like that you need to do it. Understand? Right. Next, which operator I need to go for it? Assignment operator, I will go for it. Yesterday's class, what? Simple interest. Simple interest, na? What operator you used it? P star, T star, R by 100. What is an operator? Star. Slash by 100. Slash operator, which slash you use? The single slash or double slash? Single slash I do use because I want the quotient also to come. Right or not? So we used what operators? Arithmetic operators we used yesterday. Right? One more assignment you write. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate a plus b whole square, comma, a plus b whole cube, A plus B whole cube, A plus B whole square and A plus B whole cube. Come on, look at. Our life is so simple once we know star operator, double star operator. What are the input in the first one? What is my file name? Formula.py. Formula.py. What is the input, please? A and B. Simply I will go for what? A plus B bracket star star what? 2. First you add them and then do that. Next is what? A plus B. What I will do? Star star what? 3. I will do it. You need not write A square plus 2 into A into B plus B into B like that. You need not to go for the normal story 1947 black and white story. Go for the subject of the double star operator. Understand, students? Wherever the exponentiation is coming, go for this operator. And this type of questions will come as a system test for you in the companies, because they will insisting on you how you know the operators. Okay, one more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will convert Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Fahrenheit and Kelvin. How many temperature measurements are there? 3. 2. 2 is childhood days. For Celsius temperature, Fahrenheit temperature, and Kelvin also there. See, my dear student, formula. You need not to know the formula. I am only giving formula. Hint you write down. Under the program you write hint, all of you. Fahrenheit temperature, Ft is equal to, yes, come on students, you know, 9 by 5 into, don't know, CT means Celsius temperature, plus what? 32. Or you can also, somewhere else or the other, you will find 1.8 CT plus 32. That is called a Fahrenheit temperature. 1.8 is coming, 9 by 5 is nothing but 1.8 only. So this is one thing. One more thing I am giving, Kelvin temperature, KT is equal to, I am giving students KT, Kelvin temperature is equal to, what is it? CT plus 2, 72 na, 73 na? 272, 3 Okay, good. 373, okay ma, 373, write down. Whatever the formula we have, 373. Suppose if we don't know this formula, for example, I can search in net also for temperature conversion formulas. You will get it. What is the input here? Celsius temperature. I'll print a report. What is the report? Given temperature Celsius, equivalent Fahrenheit, equivalent Kelvin. So in news broadcasting, at the end of the news, we will be getting in this city, this is a Celsius, this is a Fahrenheit. How they are doing? With a simple software, I will take temperatures of the cities in where? In the list I will take it. In the dictionary I will take it. City name, colon, temperature name. I will convert into what type? Celsius temperature and what? I will use it in my broadcasting of the news. Are they calculating pen and paper? Is a newsreader knows this formula? No. Behind of that news reading, there is a lot of people are working in the background. So weather forecasting kind of thing, your Python also will support. That time these formulas are going to come. So be careful about such type of formulas. Okay, students? Yes, this is called which operators? Arithmetic operators. How many arithmetic operators are there? 7. What are the 4 last operators, please? Slash, division, floor division, modulo division, exponentiation. That is very, very perfect. Very, very important. Clear? Yes. Next, tomorrow class, when we come back, I will talk about the assignment operators. I will explain. What is my operators? There, my assignment operators, I will explain. So assignment operators are there that I will explain in the next session. I will go for it. So assignment operators, I will explain. Where is it? Assignment operator. Next operator is called what? Assignment operator, I will explain. Plus relational operators also I will explain. Assignment operator. Already you know assignment, single equal to, but there is a multi-line assignment is there. That is a specialty of our class. Multi-line assignment, I will explain. So on that some programs, everything. So practice this. I gave the ample of assignment. Daily make me to remember giving assignments. So I will give the assignments. If anybody don't do the assignments, I don't ask daily, have you done assignment? Have you done assignment like that? Because I need to concentrate on my course content to deliver it. So do it with interest and come to the class. Okay, now? So I'll stop it. Thank you. Good day. Right, mom. Durgesh. Yesterday's link provides, sir. Yesterday's link means you are in the same link only, na? Maybe you are asking video link. You please contact the admins for video links. Right. Thank you. Good day.